All right, well, so this is the weekend that a lot of us are going to be boiling eggs, either to make deviled eggs or maybe color eggs with your kids.
There are some tricks to doing it just right. Julia Levy is sharing them with us.
Today we are talking about the perfect hard-boiled egg. We will teach you the easiest and most foolproof way to get firm, creamy, and delicious eggs every time. First, what is the perfect hard-boiled egg? The whites are firm, but not rubbery. The yolks are cooked, but still creamy. Here are the 4 steps to perfectly hard-boiling your egg. 1, place eggs in a saucepan or pot and cover with cold water. Put your eggs in first, and then cover with the water. Why? Because if you put the eggs in second, they might crack as they fall into the bottom of the pot. Pro tip, very fresh eggs may be delicious fried or scrambled, but older eggs are actually easier to peel. Who knew? 2, put pan over high heat and bring water to a rolling boil. Remove the pan though immediately after coming to a boil and cover it. Eggs exposed to high heat for a long time go through a chemical reaction that causes the greenish yolks. Fun fact, the eggs cook in water that's not actually boiling. Some people prefer the term hard-cooked eggs instead of hard-boiled eggs. Semantics, if you ask me. 3, let the eggs stand in the hot water for 14 to 17 minutes. The length of time you let the eggs stay in the hot water depends on the size of the eggs and how hard you want them cooked. 4, drain eggs and put in a bowl filled with ice water. The ice water cools the eggs down immediately and prevents the green yolk problem. And that's it. Easy. And you get delicious, perfectly cooked eggs every time. Make sure to visit allrecipes.com for amazing recipes that you can make with that perfectly hard-boiled egg. See you next time. Excellent!